Alright guys, in this video we're going to take this 4x4 all-wheel drive remote control car and we're going to put it through its paces. We've created this little track here. We're going to try and do some jumps. They do say you shouldn't be dropping this from a height of 30 inches, but look at this. It's got pretty serious shocking system. The four-wheel drive system has an independent suspension and it's got high ground clearance to make it an all-terrain vehicle. A-Type 390 motor achieves the car very fast acceleration. It's got pretty smooth forward, backwards, and brake responsiveness. Let's turn it on. They provided you with two 1000 milliamp batteries. You know that it's pairing when that's flashing. Then you turn on the remote. This is still and that's still. That's how you know it's synced. All right, we're gonna put this down. Now it's right out of the box. We haven't actually charged this yet, so we're gonna go and give it a go. So that's working fine. So yep, it goes pretty quickly. It's supposed to go 25 kilometers an hour. Try this on dirt. Come on. Just killing it. Oh yeah, I definitely can race with this. Yes! When you are done playing with the toy, you obviously want to make sure that, yeah, you can see how that's flashing, that you drain the battery before you swap in another one. So that's the toy. Yeah, you can see that it's flashing because it's dead. Now to swap in the battery, we could just take this and this off, this off, this off, and then this is our battery. So we would just unplug this right here. And then I strapped it in with this Velcro thing here. Release that. And then we take this out and we put the next one in. That's how easy it is. A lot of the parts in here are swappable and upgradable. You can get metal bushings, metal gears, differentials. So yeah, this is really truly a hobby car more than anything, I would say. Pretty powerful, at least in comparison to the other ones that I've gotten. So yeah, if you are looking for a vehicle, you probably want to look at the ones with the 1000 milliamp lithium polymer batteries, because these are the ones that are truly going to be moving. So yeah, thanks for watching. If this vehicle is for 8-year-olds and above, otherwise it should be supervised by adults. On this corner, we've got our Amphibious radio control land, water, and snow vehicle. Now this one floats on water, whereas this one will just get damaged by water. Powered by a 7.4 volt, 500 milliamp battery. Water, snow, grass, dirt, flat land. This one has also giant wheels, but unlike these rubber wheels, this one doesn't really have a suspension. What it does have, however, is the ability to do really cool, crazy tricks. And because of these hard plastic fins, it allows you to skim on water. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think.